to my channel. I am Lysandra Marie and welcome to yet another video. Today we're going to be opening up the FabFitFun box, one of my favorite boxes that I get in the mail. I've been getting this box probably for over 6 or 7 years, so I'm super, well, probably like 6 years or something like that. Anyway, I'm always excited to be opening this up. You get full-size products every single season, probably between 5 to 8 products, probably for only $50, and they're just like name brand, which is kind of cool, at full price. And your box can technically be worth anywhere from like $200 some dollars to $500. So I think we should just dig right in, and I can show you what I got, which is pretty awesome. I think it's 50. Wait, I think it's 50, or I think it's gone up slightly, might be like 55, so I don't know. I don't check my statement very often, but it is about $50 nonetheless. But here we go, let's open up the FabFitFun box. Let's get at it. As you can see, the packaging is just so pretty, and this is the spring box. So adorable. The packaging is always so wonderful. I love the boxes. All right, let's get inside and check out what we have in here today. All right, so the next thing they have in here is the Hello Fresh. You can get 75% off your first box. So a lot of times they always like to put these things in there. And yeah, it's a food subscription box. They always are really good. They give really good food. They're so yummy. All right, and let's see what is next in here. Okay. I see the olive, body cream sea salt. That is really awesome. I'm so excited. It's a full-size product. And the great part about this is it's by the brand called Kors. It's K-O-R-R-E-S. So it's a really good name brand, and they have really, really good facial products and lotions and all that kind of good stuff. I am so excited to try this out. Love it. All right. Okay, and the next thing that we have in here is the Earth Harbor Azure. It's a regenerative neck cream. All right, well, we can never get, you can never be too great on, as you age, it's always good to keep things less wrinkly, keep yourself nice, especially since I'm getting almost 40. This is something good to use to just keep yourself nice and rejuvenated. And it comes like this. It's actually a pretty decent size amount, and I'm sure just a little bit goes a long way. As any hand cream, a little bit goes a long way. So I am definitely excited to try that out. It has seaweed amino acids and copper peptides. So awesome. And the next thing that we have here is the Generation Skin Quick Fix and Chill 2-in-1 Mask Scrub. All right, there we go. Let's open it up so you can actually see the actual packaging. There we go. Okay, there we go. So that's cute. It's a little bottle, but I think a little bit goes a long way, especially when it comes to a scrub. You don't want to like hurt your skin too much, so probably a little bit with a facial scrub goes a long way. But you can get off the dead skin, and there you'll have nice and radiant skin with this product. All right, and the next one we have here is the Kate Somerville. I always like Kate Somerville. She always has great products. I always love them. Every time they send me these products, I'm so excited for them. So yeah, this one is the Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser, and you can never go too much with these kind of things because we gotta take care of our skin. I mean, over time, we just abuse our skin with pollution and with facial product, with makeups, and just beating up our skin with the sun. So it's always good to rejuvenate your skin with these types of things. And this is how big the product is. Adorable. Very awesome. Okay, great. Ooh, okay, so now I really want to know what this is. Let's pull this out, and it's called, alrighty. It's called the Jonathan Adler Biba Bedside Craft Set. Okay, let's open this up. I don't even remember any of these things, because sometimes they let you pick out, some things to put in your box, and I don't think I actually picked out mine, to be honest. I think I just let them pick it for me. So here we go. ooh, I see they're just cups for your bedside. And ooh, okay. Maybe to put water in, to have water in it. And you can never go wrong because I always keep water by my bedside. Because sometimes in the middle of the night you're kind of parched. So there you go. Stick water in there. Then I have my little glass to pour it in. Perfect. I like that. And it's a cute green color. It's like sort of like a teal color, and teal is one of my favorite colors besides pink. So let's get at that. Super adorable. Oh yeah, cute. Okay, and it's glass, which is pretty awesome as well. Okay, and I think the last thing that we have here, it feels like it's glass. Well, let's check this out. It's definitely, feels like it's something that's sort of heavy-ish, so I think we should just open it up. Okay, let's see. Okay, here we go. Okay, all right. Here we go. Ooh, I think they are plates. It's called Cake Time set of 4 melamite plates. Look at those. Very nice. Awesome. So the plates are actually, they have a little bit of a divot, so it's kind of like a bowl, sort of. And yeah, I think that's really awesome. You can never go wrong with kitchenware. I really do like them a lot. They're super cute. And it does say wash thoroughly before use, dishwasher safe, and not suitable for your microwave. So if you do ever get these in your box, if you decide to purchase the box for yourself, yeah, not good for the microwave. Not good for the microwave, but they are super cute, and you can put food on them, which is a good thing. So there you have it. If you did like this video, don't forget to give me a humongous big FabFitFun thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down there, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.